Hello, hello. Um, Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a bag. Really simple. And if you just a trick that I learned for myself and from other people's references. I'm gonna show you how to do this. You start with a circle. Then you need the spiral, root gauge. This. Then you just follow it. Go for the muscles. Each muscle. The rest is actually just a detail now. Maybe you have those guidelines, spiral, just like in this one. Follows. Then you have the lead. The other is that one. Let's see if the shoulders and all that, but that's easy for you guys, I hope. Should be easy. Looks a little bit messy, I'm sorry. Um, it's, the reason to explain why I'm using this because so like and you just it's, it's not that difficult. You just have to practice it. Let's use references. It's okay to use references to learn something. I also use references, like currently I'm using a reference.
Esas soru da çıkardım.
That's actually it. That's the thing that you need to know how to draw a bag. Don't mind my messy sketch. It's been a while since I was drawing. But as you can see, it actually helps to draw a bag that big. Simple. Because here and there are some mistakes. Aesthetic. Yeah, there are some mistakes. I'm not perfect. It's teaching you how to draw a simple bag. At the end, you have to do it. Just learn, doing. Okay, everything is going to be the same spot as always. We don't want that, we want to improve. What's this? It's a gem. Some talents. A business. Do you guys want to start some motivation here? is always good. Yeah, I'm also a lazy human being. I'm not better. What can you do? Just focus up. Stuff. Just doing. Don't do. Don't. Focus. Don't. Don't even take the effort. Thing. And why bother with it? You either just do it, achieve something in life. But you're just wasting time, and we don't want that. You have to take every opportunity that you have to win in life, even if it's the worst opportunity you have. Just push for it, you know? Simple, just push for it. Yeah. Simple. Just. Oh, that's how you draw it back really easily. Fast, quick. Just quick, oh my god. Quick. That's simple. If you guys have any other stuff that you want to see, tell me in the comments. I'm always happy to see some comments. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. See you next time.